like your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full